Chapter 13 The reason due to which Allah made the spirits to be in the bodies, after that these were abstract from it in an elevated place. I said to Abu Abdullah Imam Hussein, for which reason did Allah Mighty and Majestic make the spirits to be in the bodies after they happened to be in the elevated kingdom in an elevated place? So the Imam said, Allah blessed and high knew that the spirits are among its honorable and high creatures, and were they to be left in their state, most of them would remove themselves to the lordship of besides Him, the Mighty and Majestic. Therefore, He made them, by His power, to be in the bodies which had been predestined for them in the beginning of the predestination. Then he said, O Ibn Fazl, Allah blessed and high is better in consideration to His servants than themselves. Have you not seen that among them are those who do not see except for love of the exaltation over others, to the extent that some among them become inclined to claiming the lordship over others? And among them are ones who have inclined towards claiming the prophethood without a right, and among them are those who have inclined towards claiming the imamate without a right, and that is along with what they are seeing in themselves, from the faults, and the frustration, and the weakness, and the humiliation, and the need, and the poverty, and the pains, and the difficulties against them, and the death overcoming them, and the compulsion to gather them. O Ibn Fazl, Allah blessed and high does not deal with His servants except for the correction for them, and is not unjust to the people with anything, but the people themselves are unjust. Chapter